Hello everyone, Michael here from Ventures Real Estate Investors. Today we are at the beautiful Audley Inn behind me here, and it's a beautiful sunny day here in England. In this video, I'm going to give you 2 simple things you need to do to avoid a foreclosure on your commercial property. The fastest way to get in trouble on a value-add commercial property is to run out of money. If you run out of money, you can't complete your projects. If you can't complete your projects, you might not be able to achieve the occupancy or rent premiums you are targeting. If you miss those targets, you won't hit your projected returns, or even worse, it could prevent you from making your mortgage payments. So the 2 simplest ways to avoid this are: 1, add at least a 10% contingency in your CAPEX underwriting. And number 2, review every single expense on the general ledger from your property manager each and every month. Yes, these are 2 simple ways to avoid a foreclosure. I said simple, not easy. No one ever said apartment investing is easy. It's a grind, and you have to hustle and pay attention to the tiny, seemingly insignificant details if you want to be at the top of your field. Adding a contingency to your CAPEX underwriting will protect your budget when vendors change their prices, the prices of materials go up, or when leaks or other issues arise when turning a unit or making repairs. Reviewing every single expense is crucial to tracking your CAPEX budget. We even go as far as to assign each individual expense to a specific unit and tracking this on a Google Sheet so that you can see exactly just how much we are spending on every single unit. And then this serves as a record if the unit becomes vacant again. It also acts as accounting oversight for your property manager. So when you see that 2 refrigerators were installed in unit 1023, you can question this expense. Again, adding a contingency to your CAPEX budgets and reviewing every single expense will CYA and ensure you'll be able to carry out a successful value-add business plan and take your deal full cycle. I hope you enjoyed this asset management tip. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when we release new content. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.